How to remove device from SignalRGB. So SignalRGB doesn't really delete hardware the way uninstalling a program does. Most RGB devices are auto-detected every time the app actually starts. So the app is designed to control or ignore devices and not permanently erase them. So SignalRGB stops sending RGB commands to it, but you can go ahead and disable them in the devices section. So just go ahead here to the devices found in the left and choose whatever device you want to technically disable, since this is your only option. So once you have chosen, go ahead directly into your settings over here and you should be able to see the device enabled option. So enable or disable this device. Disabled devices will be detected by SignalRGB, but it will not be controlled. So just go ahead and turn this off. Of course, another way to technically remove the device is just by disconnecting the device physically, and SignalRGB won't be able to detect that device anymore. But those are basically your only options as of now. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.